right, everybody. I haven't been feeling good for the past couple days. That's why I haven't put a video out. Feeling a little bit better. It is Monday. Yes, Monday, right? Yeah, Monday. I don't know, 5 o'clock or so. And I said I wanted to come up to this barbecue place. Well, it was a barbecue stand I seen up on Walking Street. I told her I wanted to come up here and check it out and get something to eat. Here we are. That's new. Astro Clark Diagnostic Center, now open. Laboratory tests, x-rays, pharmacy, drug testing, you see it. But here's where we're at. Parking on this side road here. Traffic's busy. Everybody's going home, I guess. They got a big checkpoint set up over here. I noticed this. And it's funny when you have these checkpoints set up, people know it's there because they can see it. And what they'll do is, they'll stop before the checkpoint, get off. If they're overloaded, people will get off, walk up the street, motorbike will go by the checkpoint, hopefully not get pulled over. That's funny. There's a little fire going right here. A lot of times they'll do that for mosquitoes, kind of keep the mosquitoes away. Right over to the left is a checkpoint. That's strange they're out this time, right? Look, that's strange. They're usually
Monday. Today's Monday.
Yeah.
They usually do that in the morning or
right. Usually you don't see them out too much in the afternoon. It's like after 12 o'clock, the checkpoints go away. They retire. But there's the checkpoint there to the left. I got the people pulled over. I'm not going to walk there. I'm going to walk this way. Here's another thing I seen. Right in front of us is KFC. This is MacArthur Highway. If you're not familiar with that, this now is a food truck, KFC food truck. I just set this up recently. Thank God they don't have music blaring. It's a KFC food truck. Let's go check out the, I'm going to show you the prices on the KFC food truck. And it's a perfect location, plenty of good parking here. Order here, pick up here. Hello Colonels. There's your prices. Hello. That's your prices right there, but that's new setup. I guess, you know. I mean, they do have KFCs in the malls and stuff here. Like I was saying, there's this barbecue. I seen pretty nice grill setup. So,
plastic surgery.
what about plastic surgery?
What should I change?
No.
My height? Oh my God.
Yeah. Some of you want to change your height.
Yeah.
I've seen this barbecue grill setup. I'm like, we got to give that a try. Looked like it was going to rain all day today, but it didn't. Cloudy. No rain today. Yeah. So many just little restaurants popping up here and there. That's a lovely, you smell that lovely smell? Ooh. For 7-Eleven customer parking only. Birds. All right, let's see. I think I don't see them. I don't see them set up. Wonder if you need a shield. Don't look like you don't need a shield anymore.
Where's this one?
Oh, it's down here on the left. Looks like no shields required again.
It changed now.
looks like COVID has left the Walking Street. No more shield required.
No, it changed now. In market, they also require now.
Yeah. Huh. No shield required now? They laugh too. They know what it's all about. Oh yeah. That's new. That's all open back in there. You know, look. Look. Yeah, the food court's open now. This back in here is open. Little food court back here. This was all closed. Now it's back open. Some of it's open. There was a club back there. Club, I don't know. I don't know if that's open. If it is, it's a resto bar. These are all closed through here. But slowly opening up through here too, you know? Alright. Alright, there's wood. Alright. What else is open? Everything's opening now. Slowly. There's a lot more open. Well, it appears there's a lot more open.
There's like more like restaurant open.
Yeah.
Fine.
More little restaurants opening up. What's that all about?
I don't know.
There's quite a few people on the street too,
Yeah.
walking around.
It's a rush hour. 5 o'clock.
What?
5:30 is rush hour. Like people came from work,
Oh yeah, yeah.
home, and that's the place they're going to eat.
What did somebody told me? Wanted me to check on something. Forget what it was. I don't know. They wanted me to check something, but I can't remember what it was. That little barbecue place is right up here beside the Baccarat. Yeah, around the corner they had like a little
See. I'll check.
gathering. It's a group gathering.
I don't see barbecue.
It was right there. Texas Smoke Barbecue. What's up with that?
Oh, so barbecue. I was thinking you said
Or is that just a sign?
Texas smoke. Texas.
Is that just a sign?
I'm not sure.
Opening promo. What is somebody?
Barbecue over here?
What's that? What's this here? This Texas barbecue. What is that?
We're serving Texas barbecue, baby back ribs, sir.
Oh, inside.
Yes, sir. Inside.
Oh, okay. So that's being sold inside.
Yes, sir. Inside.
So that's like part of your promo thing. Okay, cool. Thank you. All right. So, what's it called? What's this called?
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Okay. All right. So you got to go in to get the barbecue.
Oh,
Like,
that one there.
huh?
That one there.
Maybe we'll go in there then.
Yeah.
Sit down and eat.
Yeah.
All right. Let's just take a little stroll up here quick. See what's going on.
It's ano.
It's pure honey.
Huh?
Pure
I'm
honey.
not sure. I didn't see it.
Oh, he says it's pure honey.
According to the ano, it's a pure honey.
Right. Right.
But according to the bottle. No.
He claims it's pure honey.
According to the blank, it's pure honey, but I don't know if it comes from
Right.
the bottle.
All right. I gotta walk in the middle. I don't hear music yet, so
Yeah,
we'll
because
keep
they
filming.
started.
We'll keep filming until we hear music, and then we'll
Look at
switch it over.
champagne. Look at champagne. They're more like colorful.
But they're not open.
They are open.
Champagne's open now.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh.
Champagne.
They're like,
Champagne is open. Wow. Maybe I'll have to stop in there. Open.
Hi, sir. Hi, ma'am.
Open for business.
Ano ka na dyan? Ano nangyari?
All right, open for business.
Nasa loob ka, di ba?
Oo nga, dito na ako ngayon. Wala
Oh, you have to bounce.
All right. So Champagne is open. I said they were going to open here, and boom, they're open. Guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. Champagne, I think we were in there for about an hour. It's a nice resto bar, social distancing going on in there. They have food, you know, like little snack foods and stuff. I would say maybe in an hour 3 people came in, 4 at the most, something like that. They open up Friday, and they said they were fairly kind of busy Friday, Saturday, but today's Monday, and I said it before, I just do not see enough meat on the bones for all these new resto bars to be opening. I don't know. I mean, time will tell. It sucks that we have to go into the one resto bar to get the barbecue. I didn't feel like going in there. I don't know. Anyways, here's Lut.
Hey!
Lut had a few drinks in there.
I did. That's not nice.
My stomach's been bothering me, so I didn't drink
so you only
anything.
have like a ginger ale.
I drank like ginger ale. So here's MacArthur Highway. There's the McDonald's. There's the Tricline. There's the walking street. I know people told me, hey, go up the walking street at night. Well, there it is. So, anyways, all right, we're heading to the car. We got some exciting things coming up here. I'm not gonna give it away. I'll wait and tell you guys later. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap this one up before I get hit. Once again, take care of yourself, take care of each other, the sick, the elderly, and the young. If you have pets, take care of your pets, and we'll talk to you guys later.